court to arraign Kano ex-governor Ganduje's wife and son. A Kano State High Court has fixed April 17th to arraign the immediate past governor of the state, Abdullahi Ganduje, his wife, son, and 5 others for alleged bribery. Hello viewers and welcome to InfoGist TV. Ganduje alongside his wife Hafsat Ganduje, their son Umar Abdullahi Umar, and 5 others are to be arraigned on 8-count charges bordering on dollar bribery allegation, misappropriation and diversion of public funds running into billions. In a writ of summons cited by newsmen, the matter was fixed for 17th of April 2024 and before Justice Usman Malam Naba of the State High Court. We should recall that the Kano State government has filed a fresh charge against the former governor of Kano State, Abdullahi Umar Ganduje, his wife Hansat Umar, and 6 others before the State High Court. 6 other defendants joined in the fresh suit include Ganduje's son Umar Abdullahi Umar, Abubakar Bawaru, Jibrila Muhammad, Lamash Properties Limited, Safari Texas Limited, and Lassed General Enterprises. Kano State government in the suit filed against the 8 defendants also said it has assembled 15 witnesses to testify against the defendants. Ganduje and the others will be arraigned on 8 counts bordering on a $413,000 bribery allegation, diversion and misappropriation of funds to the tune of 1.38 billion naira, amongst others. Meanwhile, the Congress, the national chairman of All Progressive Congress and the former governor of Kano State, Dr. Abdullahi Ganduje, on Friday warned Kano Governor Abba Yusuf to concentrate on bringing good governance to his people instead of embarking on a futile attempt to drag his name through the mud. Ganduje was reacting to the decision of the Kano State government to file criminal charges against him over alleged bribery of $413,000 and 1.38 billion naira respectively. Yusuf had, on assumption of office in 2023, accused the former governor of misappropriating public funds and allocating plots of land to some members of his immediate family. In a statement issued in Kano on Thursday, the state government disclosed that it had assembled 15 witnesses to testify against Ganduje. Now, reacting via a statement issued by his chief press secretary, Edwin Olufo, Ganduje said the bribery allegation was an unfortunate and sorry attempt to shift attention from the fact that there was nothing on ground in the state that the government or governor can use to justify the huge allocations he has been receiving since the inception of President Bola Ahmed Tinubu's administration. The ex-governor said the development was the latest attempt by the state government to drag his name into the mud, adding that it also spoke volumes on the level of crass ignorance and disregard of the rule of law by Kano governor. He said, in their desperate attempt to malign me and my family, they either forgot or probably cannot conduct themselves by the dictates of the law. They failed to take judicial notice of the written pronouncement of the Federal High Court in Kano, which ruled that the so-called offense I am being accused of is a federal offense that can only be prosecuted by the Attorney General of the Federation and the Economic and Financial Crimes Commission. Rather than join issues with my transducers in Kano over the trumped-up charges leveled against me, I would employ them to redirect their energies towards easing the plight of our people in Kano, Ganduje counselled. They still have the opportunity to revert to my blueprint for the sustainable growth and development of Kano State. It is yet not late in the day for them to emulate my development strides. they can still salvage the situation as my tenure was devoid of any wrongdoing. The Kano State Governor Abba Yusuf has responded to the allegations by his predecessor Dr. Abdullahi Ganduje that his administration had failed in its 8-month period of governing the state. Governor Yusuf reacted to the assertion, said that Ganduje's 8 years tenure was characterized by maladministration, massive record of corruption, diversion of public funds, and sale of government properties. Yusuf, in a statement by his spokesperson Sanusi Tofa, regretted that Ganduje shamelessly spoke about non-existent failure in the present administration instead of facing the nemesis of corruption and political violence hanging around his neck. The governor emphasized that he would leave no stone unturned in pursuing the alleged scandal surrounding a dollar video to a logical conclusion. Governor Yusuf then charged the Economic and Financial Crimes Commission (EFCC) to release the forensic investigation it conducted on the Gandola saga in 2018 for public consumption. The Kano State Governor advised the immediate past governor of the state to rather buckle up in defense of his already battered image at the court instead of further exposing his impunity on the media space. Femi Falana, on the other hand, has confirmed accepting a brief from the Kano Anti-Graft Agency, Public Complaint and Anti-Corruption Commission, seeking his services against former Governor Abdullahi Ganduje on the viral alleged video case. Also recall that earlier the Kano anti-graft umpire had hinted to newsmen through its counsel Usman Umar Fari that the case was adjourned by the presiding judge, Justice A.M. Liman, and that they would engage the services of Femi Falana, SAN. Mr. Femi Falana has been engaged by the anti-graft agency to lead its counsel. The case was adjourned because the counsel to the applicant informed the court that he was not ready. He wanted to respond to the processes served to him. Hence, it was adjourned to the 25th of July 2023 for hearing, the counsel stated. And responding, Femi Falana SAN said he confirmed acceptance of the brief. However, he did not explain any further as to what informed his decision, to which he said it is not right for him to be asked. I confirm my acceptance of the brief. It is not right to ask me to inform you what informed my decision to accept a brief, he stated. Also, we should recall that Femi Falana told the Federal High Court sitting in Kano that the immunity of the immediate past governor of Kano State, Abdullahi Ganduje, had expired since May 29.